The cops have you under investigation, and you know because it's one of those things you kind of know, right? Maybe law enforcement's been to your house, they've called you. You might have even gone down there and done an interview, which you shouldn't have done, but there's nothing you can do about it now. Perhaps the cops have been questioning your friends or your loved ones and they've served a search warrant at your house, but you haven't been arrested. So you're sitting there and you're going, what is going on? I know I'm under investigation. I haven't been charged. Is there anything that I can do to help prevent an arrest from happening? Yes, having a lawyer early on in what we call a pre-file stage, meaning charges have not been filed, can, in certain circumstances, it depends on the case, prevent charges from being brought, right? The law enforcement officers and the prosecutors are doing an investigation. We need to do an investigation, right? Maybe we need to do a polygraph. Maybe we need to interview witnesses. We need to build a case, and we don't have the burden of proof, but if we're talking about trying to prevent charges from being brought, we kind of do need to take on a burden where we need to be able to convince the lead investigator or the prosecutor on the case, hey, listen, here's the investigation we've done. Do not bring formal charges against this person. He didn't do it. You can't prove it even if you do bring it. So there's no reason to waste everybody's time. We need to intervene immediately. We need to be able to obtain evidence before it goes away or before people forget and present that to the prosecutor. This window of opportunity can close once charges are formally filed, right? Of course, you can always get a case dismissed, but once those cogs of the court system start going, it can be very difficult to slow them down and get a case dismissed. Prosecutors may be more likely to just try it and lose, right? Which is way more risky for you. If you're being investigated, don't wait for the arrest. We can help you on a pre-file basis. Early legal help can change everything for you. Call us, get us on your side, and let's initiate some proactive defense instead of just sitting around and letting the world happen to us.